Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to turn a simple photo into a stunning definition crystal using an app called Dreamface. And the best part, it's super easy, completely free to try, and you can do it right on your phone. Okay, let's get started. First, just go to Play Store and search for Dreamface if you don't have it yet, and then just download it and then install the app. And once installed, just open it up and log in using your Google account. And don't worry, Dreamface offers a free plan with weekly credits and daily limits for generation photo or video. So yeah, you can enjoy this without spending a cent. Next, after you log in, you will land on the home page like this, and then just tap on AI filter, and then just scroll down until you find super filter, and then just search for definition crystal. This one, just tap on it, and then just choose your photo that you want to turn into a crystal. And once you selected the photo, just tap on animate. And okay, like this. Your photo in just a few moments, your photo will turn into a definition crystal like this, and it looks super cool. And okay, that's it. Easy, right? You have just created a stunning definition crystal with twin face. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.